So magandang araw Kabole, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin. Ibibigay ko po yung aking pong top 5 most underrated po na trade targets ngayon sa PBA Kabole. Pag-usapan natin isang good news po para po sa PBA. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po muna with the comments po from fans. Peaceful Earth, parity lang need ng PBA. Don't let SMC and MVP dictate the league. Of course, we have been clamoring for that and I do agree, diba? Parity is the key for the additional decades pa po ng PBA. Sir Ronald Barbosidad, shout out po sa iyo, sir. Thank you for your continued support. Chodoro Boxit, mag-resign ka na, Marshall. Favoritism ka sa GSM. Sabi niya po dito, Kabala. Again, hindi nyo po talaga mabiblame ang mga fans na tumitingin po sa Ginebra na may favoritism po sa kanila with the way trades are being decided, how quick kapag Ginebra at San Miguel po nagtitrade, and then etc. Kabala. So please do not blame the fans, Kabala. It's up to the PBA to change their ways, Kabala. Now, congratulations po sa ating Olympic team, the ranked 37th. Kalain mo yun in a sports festival, summer, Kabala, pang 37 yung Pilipinas. It's really a magnificent result, Kabala. We have even 2 4th place finishers, Kabala. Again, it was an amazing result. Of course, huge respect to those who win. And of course, huge respect pa rin po dun sa mga lumaban, Kabala. We are hoping for better Olympics po na paparating, and this great result, this best result delivered by this group, delivered by Carlos Yulo, delivered by our female boxers, Kabala, will be a big step po, Kabala, for more consistent po na result for our Olympics competition, Kabala. And then of course, good news po for the PBA, HK Eastern, yung team po, Kabala, from Hong Kong, mukhang malaki na po yung chance. 80% na daw, Kabala, na sila po isasali po sa PBA. And of course, we are hoping that this will really push through, kasi alam naman natin kung ano pong dulot po ng mga foreign teams na ito, Kabala. It really brings a fresh way of looking at the league, Kabala. It brings something that we can root against, Kabala, which is important in retaining po, Kabala, the popularity of the league. But of course, we are also hoping na talagang ito ang dadalhin po natin ng HK is really awesome or talagang quality. And of course, we are hoping also na yung plano nilang home and away type of things, Kabala, na may maglalaruin din po tayo sa Hong Kong, talagang matuloy din. Kasi I think it will be a good test, Kabala, kung ano po yung magiging impact nun sa liga overall. Now, ito na po yung atin pong top 5 na underrated, Kabala, na trade targets sa mata po natin. Number 5 ko will be Maverick Haningisi. Yes, I know, it's easy to hate the guy, Kabala, with all his past, diba? Forcing a trade or did not sign with Converge, signing with Ginebra, and in his very first season with Ginebra, it was not really that promising, Kabala. But still, I think Haningisi is still a starting caliber wing, Kabala, and with the addition of the 4-point shot, I think he's still legit, and he should still be a good guy to get if it will be for the right price. Number 4 ko will be Brian Santos, Kabala, of Converge. Santos, are you even familiar with him, Kabala? He's playing for Converge. When he was taken, ang unang pumasok po sa isip ng mga fans is that he was only taken because he's from Pampanga, and we all know Converge is connected to Pampanga. But now that we have seen him play, Kabala, the guy is a legit stretch big man. And knowing with the addition of the 4-point shot, that man is now more valuable than ever. So if a team can get Santos for a second round pick, I think they should take it right away, diba? Ganun po ka-valuable nga ni isang Brian Santos. Number 3 ko will be RK Ilagan. And again, still connected for the 4-point shot. RK is the most underrated siguro po na beneficiary ng 4-point shot. He is really a flamethrower. One of the legit flamethrower in the league, Kabala. Small in size, but he can really hit those deep threes, Kabala. So, ito, tignan nyo talaga to, Kabala. He can really burn down the league, Kabala, if maging mas efficient pa siya from that 4-point line, Kabala. So, isa siya sa mga abangan. If my team dyan, Kabala, na naghahanap po ng 4-point specialist, Ilagan can be an underrated target. Number 2 po will be Rishi Rivero. Now, dami sigurong tumitingin sa kanya pa rin up to this point, it's overrated and etc. Pero with what I've seen is rookie season, this guy is legit, Kabala. This could be his breakout season. I think papapunta na tayo sa breakout season niya, Kabala. Ang number 1 kasi na nakita ko, napansin ko kay Rivero in this rookie season is his defense talaga, Kabala. Diba? ang unang tingin natin siguro sa kanya, knowing that he is a superstar in the college league, is that parang superstar din yung galawan niya, especially on defensive end. Pero hindi. He really defended well. The focus is there sa depensa. And that is a good indication, Kabola, of what he can bring on both sides. So if he can be a positive on both ends, Kabola, then he can be a future superstar, diba? So with that, Kabola, abang siguro hindi pa nakita yan ng Phoenix, Kabola, another team should try to get him. If they can get him for just multiple second round pick, or a veteran and a second round pick, I think that will be a steal of a trade. Number 1 ko pa rin, Moala Tautua, diba? Ito pinakamadali, diba? Moala Tautua, backup big man. If you can get him, another team can get him for a price of a backup big man, panalo na po agad yan. Kasi Moala Tautua is still a top 10 center in the league. Diba? Can you name me 10 better centers than him? I do not think there's 10. So top 10 pa rin siya sa palagay ko po, Kabola. So with that, Kabola, can easily be the top underrated target. So baka ba sa palagay mo, sino pong top mo na underrated trade target? Comment lang po sa baba.